$264. 7.5 hours active, 10 trips. And yes, right there it shows 16 because I work on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna have to say that because there's some people who keep asking, you only make $17 an hour, and I have to correct them. No, my friends, I don't make $17 an hour. I maybe make $9 or $10 an hour because I'm working on my YouTube channel. Good morning, my friends. We are ready to get started. My video camera is off right now because there's some really bad lighting and it is no sun right now. But we did receive $24 in tips. Let me show you the details before I get started. This is what the day looked like. Yes, it ended nasty with that cancellation and I went home empty-handed, dead miles, right? But basically this is what yesterday looked like. 5:30 in the morning I started. Right now it's 6 in the morning. Today is moving day, which basically means I'm going to move my trailer and I'm not going to be able to drive too much. I got maybe 5 hours in me. Then I got to come back, move to a new location. And basically where I got lucky is right here. $54, the dude that was farting, and $60, the great conversation with a young project manager who was talking about spirituality. So those two rides basically gave me $115. Before that, everything else was adding up to around 150 bucks. And if you go over here, you can see now how I got to 164. I just got gas. I'm on my way. I'm going to turn the app on and I'll keep you posted when I get my first passenger. Before I start driving, here's another update. We are at 423 subscribers. Yesterday we were at 390. I believe that's Jesus numbers. We added another 33 people. Over here you can see the views are going up, watch hours are going up, and the goal is very simple. Get this to 500. As soon as I can get it to 500, right here, then we're gonna focus on the hours. Hours are right here, around 1,578. We want to get that to 3,000, and then we can start monetizing this channel. And the videos that I've been posting for you are right here. A lot of you are asking, that's a lot of content, we can't keep up with it. I'm sorry, it's a podcast. What you want to do is I'm going to make a new playlist, but you basically want to start from here. When you watch the first video and then you go backwards in my playlist all the way to the end, and then this video you'll be able to see how I got to where I got. See, if you look right here, 210 plus 55, that's where I showed you where I got the $55 ride. Right? I teach you my technique, I answer your questions, and I create content for you. Now it's time to go and start driving Uber. The first thing we're gonna do is check our settings. Comfort is on, connect is on, pet is off, deliveries is off, Excel and share is on. I will test it right here, but 9 out of 10 times there's nobody out here. Most likely I'm gonna go, ooh, look at that. Well, it's too far away. We're gonna go over here. We're going to start right about here. First person, and I'm going to get gas from Costco. If I don't get somebody there, second, I'm going to try to get here to Olive View Medical Center. If I don't get somebody there, then I'm going to end up right about here, which we can go ahead and look at the queue and check the times. There you go. Sometimes you can get here at 6 o'clock and there's other people from private airlines or pilots that need a ride to the airport. And it's a quick $12, $15, and right now you can see it's all empty. So this is basically my third location. Third location is here, and if I end up at in LAX, it's fine. I'm gonna work my way back slowly because, like I said, I can't drive more than 5 or 6 hours today. Okay, car's gonna turn on. I will keep you posted as soon as I see something, or if I can remember to see when the first passenger came. That's how I drive. Oh, one more thing. Next week, I'm not going to be here anymore. Starting tonight, I'm going to be driving from, where is it? Out here. I'm going to be out in Banning. I'm going to be out in this city, Cherry Valley Lake. So my strategy changes where I'll start from here, start going this way. And most likely, for next 2 weeks, I will be focusing here. Then UC Riverside. Then downtown Riverside. And then from there, I end up normally at Ontario Airport, and I'm working my way this way to to LAX or Los Angeles, and I work my way back. And it takes me a couple of days to adjust, but the income actually works out to be just fine. Let me know how the audio is right now because I turned my car on. I think there's sometimes a hissing sound. There you go. My friend just uploaded a video, Chicago rideshare. He's one of the first ones I'm going to watch. I'm going to say watch later. Here's another buddy of mine, Jeff, Uber Jeep Arizona. We're going to add him to watch later. And I always listen to the rideshare guys. These guys are OGs. They give great information. And these are the latest videos. The NOLA grind is somebody new I'm checking out. I've noticed his video quality is phenomenal. You guys already know about the other guys, the Amazing Hustler, Rideshare Professor, and then that's me right here, by the way. This is me, my friends, right here. And if you watch me, look, I tend to put, oh, that's a mistake right there. I tend to put 10 to 12 videos out a day while everybody else does 1 or 2 videos. This is why you want to follow my content. Not only am I going to talk about Uber, I'm going to talk about spirituality. I'm going to bring you blessings and positive attitude. And on top of that, I'm going to teach you about Uber. Yeah, I'm a beast. I'm a Pakistani beast, baby. All right, here we go. The app is on. We're just going to use this as a reference to get started. Even though, you know, I don't like Uber's navigation. And every day, I teach you how I drive, my friends. So you can learn to drive. You don't have to follow my technique, but I'll tell you, you'll definitely learn something that will make you a safer driver, a better husband, and bring you closer to God. Whether it's Jesus, whether it's Allah, whether it's Buddha, it doesn't matter. I love them all.
Alrighty, folks, we're coming right up to Costco. And guess what? The light is coming up. You can see in the background. So we're going to turn this little punk ass bitch on right here. Now here's the deal. There's traffic on the freeway, right? It's 6:31. This algorithm's got about 5-10 minutes to hook me up, and I'll keep you posted. Otherwise, I'm out of here. And remember, you're the boss. There you go. See, right when I turn it on. No, bitch. That was the first lowball offer by this algorithm. Hey, tell me if my audio is better if my car's off. I just turned my car off. Tell me if the audio sounds better and the hissing is gone. Remember, you are the boss. You are in charge, right? It's 6:33. It's been 2 minutes. This app will give me money when I leave because I know there's traffic on the freeway, and if it doesn't, go to spot 2. If it doesn't, go to spot 3. You know you're guaranteed money by the time you get to the airport, right? Learn and understand how to beat the algorithm. Join as we work together, and more of us. There's almost 400 of you on my channel. No, bitch. As long as we all start driving together, the 20% that drive full-time, the 80% that drive part-time, as many of you start cherry-picking, guess what? Their profits go down. Their profits go down. What happened? Dara gets spanked. Dara is the CEO of this stupid company, right? He gets in trouble from the board. He gets fired. We can get these CEOs fired, right? Why? Their profits go down. Why? If people don't buy their stocks, what's going to happen? They're going to get in trouble. When they get in trouble, what are they going to do? They're going to listen to us, right? All it takes is uniting. Like the United States of America and like the United Nations, that's what we got to do, my friends. And I'll let you know if it barks again. That's the 4th offer. Still not going to take it. 4th offer. Still not going to take it. If it gave me 4, there's a 5th one sitting here. I'm trying to put gas in. There you go. There's a 5th one, and there's 5 people waiting right now. And I'm trying to put gas in. Five people waiting right now. I'm the only one here, right? Remember, you're the boss. I'm gonna go put the gas in. It won't even let me put gas in, stupid app. There you go, already viewed. Right? There's nobody here. This is why it's showing already viewed. Understand the algorithm. I'm still putting gas in, fellas. Look at that, another one. Already viewed. I'm the only one here. Now I have 4 or 5 choices. I'll probably take the $14 one, right? But not right now. I gotta go put gas in. Now I'm back. It was still barking. Look, it's still there. 5 rides because there's traffic. And don't believe this. This is a lie. Oh my God. Okay, it won't even let me put gas in. One more time. No. We want the $14 one, bitch. Okay, now I can talk. Now, it's been 8 minutes. There is 5 rides in the container. There's traffic on the freeway. He or she, whatever this app is, whatever race it is, whatever sex this app is,
probably non-gender, right? And I got nothing against non-gender people. I'm just saying, now I'm gonna leave, right? Because we don't play that, right? We are in charge of the app, right? I decide. See, you can see the see right here. Whenever there's traffic, that means there's no drivers. There's no drivers. That means they're not gonna make money. If I don't make money, they don't make money. It's that simple. And I know I make my money. By the end of the day, I will make my minimum. Today I'm moving. I think my goal is $100, right? Watch. Now I'm gonna leave. And if it gives me something that I want, which is minimum 15, 20 bucks, I'll take it. Otherwise, deuces. Because there was a $14 ride. That $14 ride got taken by somebody else. These 5 rides were literally sitting here in the graveyard, in the container. Look, same one's still here, right? Pay me my money and I will stay and take you. Don't pay me, I'm out of here. Now, there's traffic on the freeway. That means there's an accident. We're going to listen to Jeff for a little bit. And if you don't know about Jeff, now you know. Uber Jeep Arizona, please check him out.
I'd like to start off by saying make sure February the 14th, 2024 is on your calendar for a day that we stand up for the profits that we deserve. Now, I tell a lot of people, many of us are just turning our apps off or we're doing private rides. As you can see, this is what we do. We do private rides. So if we're not doing private rides, the apps have to put out major surge. If they're not putting out major surge and showing you, hey, you deserve some of these profits of the corporation and the industry that you're building, don't take the ride. We've got to have a day where we just stop taking shit.
100% agree. I'm not driving on the 14th. I'm not even in a relationship. But I'm still not driving on February 14th. Actually, every year on February 14th, I'm never going to drive. That should be like a... You know what I told Jeff was... and I'm trying to tell everybody else in the industry, once a month, we need a day, like every Tuesday or the first Tuesday of the month that none of us drive. At least the 20% drivers that drive full time, that hold 80% of the market, we can change it. We can change this market. We just stop driving every Tuesday, every Wednesday. Those are the days we start taking off. They're already slow for Uber and Lyft anyways, right? We can make them even slower for them. What did I tell you guys? Drive around, go to your second location. I was at my second location. I got 22 bucks. I'll take it. Then I'm gonna drive a little bit and head back. Let me upload this video for you guys.